Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another Watchin for the fourth time tonight. Hopefully, you guys are watching all of these box openings. Like I said, I'm just trying to run through a whole bunch tonight in hopes of coming a little closer to getting caught up. This is going to be my second watch box opening for Spinnaker tonight, and this is for a watch that isn't even out yet, but you can sign up to get on the list to show your interest. And it's always good to be signed up because you'll get better deals, whatever the case may be. You'll see that I'm still wearing that Spinnaker Hull California edition. Without further ado, let's crack open this package. All right. Clearly it's Spinnaker, like I just said. And let's see what we got here, guys. Whew. Oops. All right. Whew. So this one, let's see if I can pull the plastic. So much plastic. Well, I pulled the plastic off the main dial, bezel, everything. I was taking too long. So this one is model SP-5055-44. This is the Spinnaker Fleuss Bracelet. So Spinnaker has been coming out with some variations, other models that have bracelets on them instead of leather. And they have been playing around with some of their rubber straps too, which look pretty cool, but I haven't gotten a rubber strap one yet, so maybe that'll be in the books. But I love the dial on this one and the bezel. It just has kind of a vintage look to it, but it's a nice, simple, clean. Interesting is the bezel's not super overly tall or thick, but of course, you know, they've got logoed crown, signed buckle. Their bracelets have, you know, not just standard inexpensive fold over clasps, and I haven't had any issues with them. This one has a display case back. You can see their treatment on the rotor there. I believe this one is an NH35 as well, but I don't remember for sure, so I'll have to do some looking on that. Like I said, this one's not even released yet, but you can sign up via the link I will put in the notes below. We'll throw this on wrist really quick and see what you guys think of how it looks on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Wow, I dig that style. I really dig that style. There's something about that style bezel too that just grabs me. It just, you want to look at it, and I like the way that one looks. So the Fleuss bracelet versions look like they all start at $350. Now, because it's not released yet, I don't know if that's going to change. There could be discounts if you sign up in advance. They might have a little bit better launch deal. You know, I'm not 100% on that. I know all their other stuff right now. If you click through and use promo code WATCHIN20, it'll save you some money. We also have promo codes for Aviate and Ballast below too. So click through, check those out. But man, I dig this. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. I'll do my normal follow-up review later on. I know I'm running behind on those, but it seems like everyone watches the box openings more than the follow-ups. But I dig this one. Love to hear your guys' comments on it. As always, guys, thanks for watching.